Hi, smiles everyone, and welcome. Colleen here. So today I have a Temu haul for you, and it is craft related stuff. I didn't get any household things or clothes this time, and it's not a huge haul, but I got some nice things. So the first thing I want to show you is this mat here, this desk mat. So this is the back side. Some would say the backside, but this is what I want to use here. And it is like a fake leather. It's not leather, but it's really nice and smooth and very wipeable. So that's why I really like it. And then the other side has the felt on it. So if you had this on your desk for your office desk for work and you're using your computer, you can slide your mouse no problem on this side. And it's quite long, and that's what I wanted, was a nice long one to cover my desk. And yeah, so it will protect my desk and it'll be easy to wipe up. Well, not my desk. I have a table, not a desk. So yeah, so I got that. I'm gonna let you know here too that I'm not going to give out any prices because this is a worldwide company. Each country, the prices are going to be different. But I will let you know with Temu, they are very, very reasonably priced, very competitive. So I am enjoying this company. And another thing I really like about this company is returns is not a problem. They have free shipping. They give you a window of 5 days, I believe. And if your order is not delivered to you within those 5 days, you will get a $5 credit. So, anyways, back to the haul. Okay, and then I got for wax seals, I got another burner. I have one, but I wanted another one because I find when I'm making these seals, I generally make them in a mask making way. And with just one, I seem to always be waiting for the wax to melt. So this way I have two of them, and then I can just go back and forth and hopefully speed up the process a bit. And this set, it came as a set, and it came with the spoon as well. And like I said, this was really well priced. So of course, looking for one of these, wax came up, so it was a really good deal on this wax. I'm a little disappointed because I have ordered wax before, but I just assumed that they would be the same size as the ones I got before, but they're not. They're probably half the size. So it wasn't as great a deal as I thought. You get 100 in the package. They're still going to be useful, and I got these I like to mix them a lot. I mix the wax because I like that's how they look. So I got it in brown. I got some red and this really pretty blue, and then some basic black, and then this real like a jade green. So yeah, I got these colors. I do have other waxes, but I don't have as deep a blue and as jadey of a green type of thing, and black and brown are such a nice basic one to have to do mixing ones. Okay, and then again, the other thing I got wax seal related is I got this little set of stamps for the, how did I open this way for it. And so it comes with like a flower. There's a cupid. This looks like a balloon and sky scene. You get a nice rose, a paw. I really like this bow here. a snowflake. That'll be nice at Christmas time. A heart. And I'm not sure what this one is. It's a scene of some kind. But until I stamp it out, I can't quite tell. Oh, it's a butterfly. There's a butterfly there. So anyways, and it came in this nice little pack. And it'll just give me some more variety when I'm doing my wax seals. And I really like this flower one because there is a butterfly built right into it. So I got that. And then the last thing I got for wax seals is this here. And once I received it, well, I forget what they're calling this. But basically you brush it onto your seal and it brings out the stamped image. And when I seen it, I thought it would be really nice. It's gold and silver. But then I got looking at it, and I think you could take some old eyeshadow, would give you the same result. Because to me, it looks like eyeshadow. So let's see what it looks like when yeah, you can't really see that. But anyways, you could you can see that a bit, I think. But you could do something like using your eyeshadows. You could use different colors than gold and silver. But this will last a long, long time, I'm sure. And again, not overly pricey at all. But I won't be buying that again because I think, like I said, as long as you had eyeshadow that has a lot of mica in it, I think that would work just fine. Okay, so that is it for the wax seals, and I guess I better do a session of wax seals soon because I got all of that new stuff. And then this here is, it's just some interfacing, and it came in a package of 2. And when you want to stiffen something up a bit, like fabric-wise, you just iron this onto the back of your fabric. I thought it was going to be a tad thicker than it is, but that's okay. I will still use it up, I'm sure. So I got, that's pretty basic, self-explainable. Okay, and this is, it's called mesh tape. And I seen this and thought this would be great for spines of your journal because it's super, super tough. It's a mesh, and then it's double-sided. Let's see if I can show you here. Well, it's kind of tough to get it off right now. But anyways, I will just show you on this side. So it is like a mesh, and you could put that on your spine, and it'll make your spine much tougher and strong, right? So I got it. There's quite a bit on this roll, and I thought it would be wonderful for that reason. So I got this for the spines of my journals. Okay, and then I got some more fabric, and I got this piece here. It's quite a large piece. And again, I got these fabrics because the price, you can't go wrong with the price. And this is like a canvas kind of material, but isn't that pretty? That's going to look so, so nice in the inside of a journal cover. And even doing a journal, starting it with this on the outside is going to be lovely. And there's so much here that, you know, I can make a lot of journals with it, or I can also make other things with it, like a bag and such, project bag kind of thing. So that's one. And then this one is also a canvasy one, and it is leaves. And I thought this would be lovely inside a journal cover as well. It's not as large a piece, but it's very pretty. And with a nature type journal, that would look really awesome flower journal, all those kinds of journals. So, and also for ephemera. So I got that one. And then the last one I got was this one. It's a green background and it has the beautiful roses. This is definitely going to make a beautiful cover for a journal, isn't it? Like, and again, it's a huge piece. This is doubled up. So there is more than enough to make several journals. And again, if there is something that I want to make besides a journal, I have plenty here to do so. I want to do some quilted type journal covers. I really like how those look, and piecing the different fabrics together. So that'll be really nice for that as well. And the last thing I got was these. Oh, no, it's not the last. I also got, these are vellum sticky notes. And so they're just vellum. So they will work so well. You can see they're going to be really cool in a journal, right? And they're like a sticky note. So I forget, there's probably 50 here, if not more. But yeah, this would look great when you're putting together ephemera and such. This is going to work really great. And you can write on these, right? That's because they are sticky notes. So I thought that would be an interesting texture in a journal. And then the last thing I got were these brass clips. And they are, there's 20, I believe, in this pack. And they are really, really nice. I really like them. So those are going to be great for a closure, for a topper of a tag or journaling card, and yeah, as a tab, perhaps even on the side of your journal. So many uses for them, and they are very well made. I'm quite impressed with the quality, and I really like the antique look of them too. So that's what I got this time with Temu. I will make sure to have all the links below, as always. So if you're interested in any of these things, you can just go down into the description box and the link should be there for you. So I would like you all to have a lovely, lovely day and an inspiring day. And don't forget to like and subscribe and press that notification bell. Leave a comment, a like, all of that. I love hearing from you guys, and it will truly help my channel to keep growing. So you all have a crafty, crafty day, and we will see and talk to you very soon. Bye for now.